ಆತ್ಮೀಯರೇ, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ವೀರಣ್ಣ ಮಡಿವಾಳರ್. ಇವರು ನನ್ನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಸಲ್ಮಾ, ಆಸಿಫ್, ಸೌಜನ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಅಭಿಲೇಷ. ಇವರೀಗ 5ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪದ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಪದ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಸಲ್ಮಾ ದ ಕೌ ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಈಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
The cow, the friendly cow, red and white, I love with all my heart. She gives me cream with all over mat to eat with apple tart. She wanders blowing here and there. And yet she cannot stay. All in the pleasant open air, the pleasant light of day, and blown by all the winds that was and wet with apple. And wet with all the showers, she walks among the meadow grass and eats the meadow flowers. Robert Louis Stevenson.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಸಲ್ಮಾ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಸಿಫ್ ಯಾವ ಪದ್ಯ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಪ? ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೋಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನ ಆಸಿಫ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಈಗ ಕಮ್ ಆನ್.
The man who has a garden fair, or small or very big, with flowers growing here and there, must bend his back and dig. The things are mighty few on earth that wishes can attain. Whatever we want of any worth, we got to work to gain. It matters not what goal you seek, it is secret here reposes. You got to dig from week to week to get result are roses. Edgar August.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಆಸಿಫ್, ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೌಜನ್ಯ ರವೀಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗೋರ್ ಅವರ ದ ಪೇಪರ್ ಬೋಟ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಕಮ್ ಆನ್.
Day by day I float my paper boats, one by one down the running stream. In big black letters I write my name on them and the name of the village where I live. I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am. I load my little boats with tulip flowers from our garden and hope that these blooms of the dawn will be carried safely to land in the night. I launch my paper boats and look up into the sky and see the little clouds setting their white bulging sails. I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sends them down the air to race with my boats. When night comes, I bury my base in my arms and dream that my paper boats float on and on under the midnight stars. The fairies of sleep are sailing in them, and the lading is their baskets full of dreams. Rabindranath Tagore.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಸೌಜನ್ಯ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಲೇಷ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಮೈ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳ. ಅಭಿಲೇಷ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್.
She's a rich and rare land, oh she's a fresh and fair land.